There are some ways available that you can do to enable or disable color filter feature in iPhone 7. One of the easiest way is by adding the color filter feature to the accessibility shortcut so that you can simply turn on or off this feature by pressing the home button 3 times. To add color filter feature to the accessibility shortcut, go to setting, swipe home screen to the left, and then tap setting. Scroll down the screen and then tap accessibility. Scroll down the screen and then tap accessibility shortcut. Here, make sure you are only selecting color filters by tapping the color filters option. A checkmark will appear when an option is selected. Now you can directly apply the color filter features to your phone screen by pressing the home button 3 times. You will see that your phone will display what's on the screen on grayscale. While to disable color filter to bring your screen color back to the default, press the home button 3 times again. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.